When the Welsh coal came, Henry's driver and fireman were excited. "Now we'll show them, Henry, old fellow." They carefully oiled all his joints and polished his brass till it shone like gold. His fire had already been lit, so the fireman made it carefully. He put large lumps of coal like a wall round the outside. Then he covered the glowing middle part with smaller lumps. "You're spoiling my fire," complained Henry. "Wait and see," said the fireman. "We'll have a roaring fire just when we want it." He was right. When Henry reached the platform, the water was boiling nicely, and he had to let off steam to show how happy he was. He made such a noise that the back controller came out to see him. "How are you, Henry?" "Pip, peep, peep," whistled Henry. "I feel fine." "Have you a good fire, driver?" "Never better, sir, and plenty of steam." "No record breaking?" warned the fat controller, smiling. "Don't push him too hard." "Henry won't need pushing, sir. I'll have to hold him back." Henry had a lovely day. He had never felt so well in his life. He wanted to go fast, but his driver wouldn't let him. "Steady, old fellow," he would say. "There's plenty of time." They arrived early at the junction. "Where have you been, lazybones?" asked Henry when Thomas puffed in. "I can't wait for dawdling tank engines like you. Goodbye." "Whoosh," said Thomas to Annie and Clarabel as Henry disappeared. "Have you ever seen anything like it?" Both Annie and Clarabel agreed that they never had.